Good morning. What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a while since my last video. Wanted to give you just an update, and wow, what a monumental day for crypto. All 11 ETFs for spot Bitcoin have been approved by the SEC, and it's just going to be from here on out an upward swing. It might correct, a little bit. It might dip for the Bitcoin halving. But other than that, I mean, just continue mining, guys. I've, been basically just trying to mine a little bit of all different proof of work coins. Give you kind of a rundown here. My KS2 Pro, or my KS2 Ice River, mining Caspa with the T-Swift overclocks at 2.5 terahash, mining away. I will have an update video as far as where I'm at. I'm accumulating now roughly in the 200, 250 range per day ever since I first got it. This is the November batch. I think I'm projected to break even, I think in March, late March. So we'll see kind of where we're at. I think I mined around 10,000, 11,000 Caspa so far. My E9 Pro with the Fruition Designs, shout out to you, John, with the ASIC Silencer Shroud kit, as well as he got me another kit for the Ice River KS2. However, the KS2 is just fine. It just hums. It's not even much louder than the Octominers, honestly. So maybe summertime when that hits, that's when I'll put the Fruition Designs kit and the AC Infinity fan on there. So those are those. I have another E9 Pro mining away. So this one is on 2 miners mining ETC. The other one I got up in New York with Endless Mining. Shout out to you, Augustine. I have done a lot of research, and man, ETC boomed yesterday. 25%, something like that, maybe 30%. So after doing a lot of calculations, I have been kind of switching on unminable, getting paid out in Solana for about a week or so. Now I'm just gonna mine straight ETC for a bit, and man, it's been amazing with the gains on that. But yeah, so on the Bitretu case from Amazon. I got this months and months ago. I did a video on it. I snagged it locally, Facebook Marketplace. It was a pallet reseller for Amazon. I got this for like 150 something dollars. I don't even know. But this has the 1660s, I believe. And this is Oval Vortex 1060 that I won from a giveaway. I don't know which one's mining which. I think one of them is on Nexa, and this one might be on Dynex. And then I got my X12s, 2 of those, and X8 Ultras. One of them is 1660 Supers and TIs, and one 3060 Ti. And this one, I think, is mining a lithium. And this one is all 1660 Ti's. Oh no, sorry, 3060 Ti's, which is mining Dynex. The X8 Ultra, I think one of them is filled up with 3070s. That one, I think, is on Nexa. And then this one is all 3060 Ti Founders Editions, which I think is mining maybe a lithium? No, Radiant. Now, I think I might switch everything over to Radiant. We'll see. I might just continue I guess diversifying my farm and just accumulating all the different coins all at once. Might as well just continue that route. All my Mini Doge, I think this is the Mini Doge Pro, the Katie Box 2, and the SC box, and this is the SC box 2 handshake SH box, and then the KD Max Pro, that's what it was. And then I got the V1 iPolo V1 Mini Classic ETC. I think the Doge miners are on nice hash right now, just accumulating Bitcoin, kind of waiting for it to pump a little bit more, and then I'll start switching over to Script and stacking some Doge and Litecoin. The KD Box 2 is mining Cadena, because it's been pumping a little bit, might as well just continue pumping the bags. And the Handshake and SC Box 2 is now mining Sia coin. I was on SC Prime for a little bit, but I switched that back over to Sia coin. And the V1 Mini Classic on K1 Pool, mining Octaspace, Pac-Man, and Zill. I might try to find some deals and get more of these and just continue building that bag. I'm not sure. But yeah, man, I mean, it's been great. I do have my 4 S19J Pros being hosted with a different company, mining just Bitcoin on NiceHash. So yeah, it's been just kind of humming along here. Temperatures have been pretty great, 75 ambient, and the exhaust here in the back, 73. But then again, it's probably because of the cool air here. But no, it's been great. We did have a power outage the other day, probably around 8 p.m. Turned back on at around 3 a.m. So that was fun. But yeah, it's been a great couple months for being a miner. I mean, I think we're on the upswing at this point, guys. So continue mining. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave one down below, and be sure to subscribe and comment what you think I should be doing. I mean, I have some L3 pluses that I did turn on momentarily when Script was pumping on NiceHash, and they were profitable for about a day or two. I did turn those back off, so I mean, I'll be just ramping those up, as well as the Mini Doge Pros and regulars, as soon as Script starts pumping again with Doge and Litecoin. But yeah, I've been trying to eyeball some more 30 series cards. I think at this point you're going to be in the 300 range for the 3060 Ti's and 3070s, so I might start focusing on 4060 Ti's and 4070s. But after CES with the new announcements, I'm waiting for retail to kind of adjust their prices at Best Buy, and maybe scooping some up as soon as the price drops. I'm not sure kind of what the strategy is there. It's a little tough. I mean, I'm only used to the 10 series, the 1660s and 1660 Ti's and Supers, and the 3060 Ti's and 3070s. That's all I've really had. I don't want to get into AMD cards. I want to stick with NVIDIA. I think they just do amazing. I never have issues. I might want to get another Octaminer setup. We'll see. But these cases are just awesome, the Vitra 2s. Yeah, you can get those in the link down below. I think I have an Amazon link code that helps me and the channel. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much an update that I got here. And maybe what I'll do is I'll give an update as far as my spreadsheet of what I mined, what the accumulation has been over the course of getting it. I think I got it like late December, mid-December, something like that, and what it is today, because that's the November batch. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what the next few months brings for us, and we'll keep in touch. Stay healthy and safe, my friends, and keep on mining.